Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually delete your iPhone automation and shortcuts in 2025 or iOS 18. What you need to do is just find out the shortcuts app which will be in under your utilities section, which is shortcut app. This just tap on it, and after going to the shortcut app, as you can see that there will be an option shortcut. Just tap on it and it will bring you screen like this. Once you go to the screen, just swipe up and you can see that there are some shortcuts which you have built. What you need to do how is just tap on the screen, and the shortcut will come up like this. And now how you can delete it, just hold it for a second or two and it will show the option of you can delete the shortcut which you have made, and it will get deleted. And how you can add it, just go to your gallery option here, tap on it, and there are many shortcuts which you can actually create here. Just tap a button over here and it will automatically get into your shortcuts list after your shortcuts. If you don't like it or don't want any usability of it, just hold it for a second and the screen will come up like this, and there is a delete option. Just tap on a delete option and it will automatically delete it. So that's how you can actually delete the iPhone automation or shortcuts from iPhone. Thank you very much. Bye bye.